Good morning, students. Today we discussed about traditional commerce versus e-commerce. Traditional commerce versus e-commerce. In traditional commerce, the business have to compete within a single industry and limited geographical area. In traditional business, businessmen identify the customer's needs and arrange their shop in according to customer needs. So customer touch and feel the items and then purchase it. Means in traditional commerce, business developed in limited area. In traditional commerce, businessmen identify their customer needs. So customers purchase easily as per their needs. Some of common features of traditional commerce are operate within a certain period of time on during business hours. No sharing of information within competitors. Hearing a salesperson, sales manager, and many more. Location, renting or purchasing, advertising, inventory, shopping of products. We need to adopt to the new ways of doing business worldwide using internet. Some of features of e-commerce are: if we want to build our business, we adopt the new way of doing business using internet. Number 1. Advertising of the product is done electronically. Customers can browse through products, categories and available offers. Goods are delivered to the customers within few days. Reduce the per transaction cost. Reduce the time taken to perform as overall transaction. E-commerce in India. The internet users in India are growing day by day. E-commerce in India is experiencing remarkable growth and successfully changing the way people transact. You want to now internet users of India growing day by day. Customers are very interested to purchase online and internet reached in rural area, so it buying the products online and change their lifestyle of nowadays. Customers are very interested to purchase online as internet has reached the rural part of India. A drastic change is observed in their lifestyle. Though the presentation of e-commerce in low in India as compared to other countries, it is growing at a much faster rate with a large number of new events. Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, Amazon, Domino, Paytm and many more are very popular in India. We are very familiar with this type of e-commerce shops. Retailers have also started offering a cash on delivery option. It is the most preferred payment method in India. Almost 80% of Indian e-commerce business uses cash on delivery mechanism. Means in India, cash on delivery option method is very preferred for customers. Almost 80% customer of India use this method when parcel reached, they pay their amount.